edeba J Ghana TV nonsia kasebo eso braso se ensam hodwa esi wo kromu asam trofo atibini aboaboa no asamufo nso asamu se kranye ena yede ebesom kasebo kwanso ewa J Ghana nonsia kasebo eso kasebo ensam bia obete ne se manasi azuri ede ensam bi akwa ma yemampeni na nadodankwa afei so arahosam bia esi ewo odododio apato empeswa nso yede emu nsamo ebebrew ebusia ensam bi eka we ho ena yede ebesom kasebo yi mu na me kai wo se kasebo yi dumekuo bi ena aso ya sen sika fam ena yede kasebo yi ebremu na Janelle Organic Foods Janelle Organic Foods eye enuane a eboa ma wapomodin egina brane nti openuane a ebeboa ama wapomodin egina brane dia na me kanfo Janelle Organic Foods e dia ma afen so Kinaata herbal so eboa ema umema yo esipi obema oba nso eboa ma hemfie ho eche eye kama pa ede ema afen so Glit and Glow Skin Care Glit and Glow Skin Care o person ipeduana na say ihunamani no etoso eye kama eti japa enye na eye Glit and Glow Skin Care ena me kanfo ede amao na mi amaje peni amede kaseboy ebramo eye me dache hema ajwa nati ebuso ye twaye ho sima ni age aboafo enkrato ye ba ede kasebo ni enchiremu ebebremo
Ema yesumo
yesuma merade
enyumre yakin kansem no ye be ma sister Paulina ene de ya fam
enyumre yakin kansem no ye be fa free Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Kinaata High-End Herbal Capsule. A drawing tina per what to send me. Ready, I mention glasses. Brody Bessie, see clear.
Hey, no crow. Kinaata High-End Herbal Capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby at Kinaata Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Kinaata High-End.
See clear.
Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure.
Hey, and let you besi. Ain't you wanting a miku epia on me fie?
Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Kinaata venikeno. Se wo yuswa esiesie ho e ma ho ye kama e ma wo ye obe mua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Kinaata Venicare.
Kinaata Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di nuya mabobosina. And when you are set Kinaata 230 herbal, we are Bema now no more. And Mama Wadison Kuma would drown us with me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and vitality. And for when you are and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma sa umreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. A young conqueror. Power to the people. Metre 230. So our what feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 herbal.
Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofa sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.
share kasebo na asia na manasi azuri asamu ena yedi free asie ananu ada ena ebeto dwa se manasi azuri ede nsem bi akọ ama ye mampeni na na dodankwa na ne nsem no ochemu se mampeni a hye na fobo se dietie bia no obeboa ama galamse yetu na se kra e Ghana ha enso mampeni na na do bag free se mampeni na na do ebetena abanwa so no enya ade se wetimi edi ne bohye so wedi Ghana fo hwemo yie pa eba ne galamse ensam so a wedi Ghana fo ehwemo yie pa na no ena manasi azuri echemu se enya ade mampeni na na do ebetimi aboa etu galamse ase enu nti no ono ankasa ntu ne ho ade so ono ankasa amomodin a esanse wentimi enni ne bohye so nti omomodin entu ne ho ade so ebusia ya to akase bono so arahusem bia esi ewo ododudio abato empeswa ne so ene se abaiwa bia wenya efinhye dunsia a wonene maame enete na abetodwa se o maame kwan a o maame ade ne fa so enye kwan a eboa o maame epamo no efrifie e ma abaiwa no ni ba bia wo kwotena enu nti wokode opake ne nyoma ekohye edwaye aye washroom fufuro kra yesi ewo potamo ho na enu ada ena epie mu se yekobi epon na abayiwa no edemu na kyerese waka nchini egu abayiwe ato anananom ewo nsie do Abra asami esi ye no je Ghana TV ye bo modin etu anamo ekoho ekohwe de ekoso no na ye nsantwafo a ekoho no ene timamufo no bi edi nkomo sei.
What I'm trying to tell my people, a 16-year-old girl living in our community, Ododo. Her mother is not now. First, they live in Akotolante and they moved from Akotolante to Modo. One of the days, we visit where the lady stay when we are going to bath. And we saw the lady at the night. And we asked him, Mary, why are you here at the night? And he said, oh, my mother has sacked me. And say, why? So we talk to the lady, and some of the women in the community went to his mother's place and talked to her mother that you can't sack your daughter like that. She's the lady. You have to take her at your place. Why do you sack your lady? She said the lady did not respect at all. If he says he should do this and do this, the lady refused to do it. So people have talked to her mother several occasions. Mother said no. Who accept this lady in his house? So one bathroom in our community, public bathroom. So the lady come and stay there. People went to her mother, starting begging her, Madam, we are begging you. She is your daughter. Whatever mistake she has done, forgive her and take her. The mother said no. Who accept the lady? People have talked not a day, over months when people are talking to the mother. They say no. So the lady come and stay at the bathroom. These are his clothes. Close well. They have talked to the mother several times. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday, Tuesday, people play with the lady. Today they are coming to open the place. She sleep. The lady has died. Nobody know whether I have taken something, whether somebody. Nobody know what has actually happened to the lady. But when we went to the dead body and what the dead body is.
I will see a baby. I drew a budget above for and crats or your bar, your betos.
Am I a sumo?
Yes, Mama,
And you may a king cancer, no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may a king cancer, no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe. Sister Paulina, we're reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey, madam.
Kinaata High-End Herbal Capsule. A drawing tina per what to send me. Me ready a mention glasses. Obroni besie. See clear.
Hey, no crow. Tinachet Hyan Herbal Capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
Edro you baby atwa. Ko Kinaata Herbal Shop. Hey, na mo pai. Yeah, Kinaata Hyan. See clear.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc. I want to know why did. Who knows why she I've said to Yama, no, see the young kukru. So your stomach was up, said the young. Had been so as I become. And then crying, meaning said if you're forcing it, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria will emoji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Kinaata tomac and a Kinaata malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at Tumac. I'm on my free.
Tinachet Malake, Eyama Ubia Wenya malaria fever, and a Tinachet Tomac mixture, Eyama Ubia Wenya indigestion. Yen Shishremus Wenya malaria and Sana Wafa Edri. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
For your mama, a crab a biome at the Baje Ghana TV, so ya damn say you try your home boy, ye try your home so what ye bread, na mu feed ye no edaso e waha. It was your for your talk as your bonus so at your mammo. Now, Honorable Henry Cote, MP Edema Ayawa so central. Now, ordinary Sembi Atuja Afa 2024 election. Now, Airbano eso. And ya dear say NDC ebe winning net, and I say move winning a china, and winti womuntu munapra. Esane said Dr. Mamudu Baumia, nipa nyanko kasa and our power no, so on me DMPP amonyo kono enimu.
And God will give you strength in good health, the grace, favor, wisdom, and above all the luck that you so need and desire to embark on this project. Mr. Vice President, not to say much, but we are here, apart from joining you to celebrate your birthday, to also assure you that we are with you at dawn, morning, afternoon, evening, and we are ready to surgeon with you to the final destination, inshallah. Mr. Vice President, once again I repeat, my MMDCs and I assure you that we are surgeoning with you to the final destination, and by the grace of God, we shall get to the land of Canaan. I won't say much, but I pray that whatever projects or the project ahead of us will be successful. Those here and those who are not here, we pray that the good Lord will begin to turn the hearts and minds of people in this country to join in this project. And by the grace of God, today is 7th. I count and I count and I count and I count that inshallah, one of the 7th that will come in 2025, by the grace of God, we will be at the Independence Square, inshallah. Oh, you didn't hear me, somebody. I said by the 7th January 2025, inshallah, His Excellency, not the Vice President, incoming President of the Republic of Ghana, will be at the Independence Square. To this end, I say thank you all, and we wish the Vice President the strength that he needs in these difficult times to be able to go about his duties. Mr. Excellency, I thank you very much. God bless you. But we have, on behalf of the MMDCs, to present to you this token. Thank you very much, Mr. Vice President. Happy birthday. Shall we sing happy birthday for him? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Ebusia baby a yedre eye enigedie kase bomu na enigedie kase bomu ena gasmela ede insembi etudwa ede afa azonto asane ho ena o chemu se Ghana afọ awake kasa azonto egu no enya ade se eye no kreda azonto engu ne o chena so ka ho bi enya ade se azonto ebetimi egu de biarada inti Ghana afọ a eye wo mo se azonto egu no won't forget it cry. I was here for aha and a brema your crime, my yadi Casiabono esi. Na Casiaboy in Sembia, what say, Manasi Azuri Eddie and Sembi Aquama, your man penin another danqua, so one share, not one to know what dear so as I say, the washer was share no and ya dear so with me ediso. I feel so now rehost somewhere a sea would do dio abato empress one so I buy you be a wedding in Fisher Duncia, I share no quire ya non so what tea a moon said. I feel so no Honorable Henry Cotte and so in someone will cover MPP amanyukono so yadi emunsemu ebesomo na mekai will say you make quite a soya sonnet and my yadi kase boy ebrewo eye Janelle organic foods upenuane papa ebetimi aboa amo apomudin ejina brania na eye Janelle organic foods afen so Kinaata herbal so yenura eboa emma yo esipi afen so emma so esiesi ahemfi ho emma eho eye kama Emma eniaman so eye ye wasa kwan so afen so Glitz and Glow skincare so eboa emma hunamani atoso eye kama etija na ebusuafo aha ena ebre emma kwan ama yede kase bono esi ebusuafo aha na ebre emma kwan ama yede kase bono esi edi ameje so eye dache hema ajoa nati makram
no ya be my sister Paulina and a day after
Imre, you can't cancel seminar. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we're reading glasses here, China, Hebrews. Hey! Madam! Kinaata Hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina but what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Obroni Bessie, see clear.
Hey, no crow. Kinaata Hayan herbal capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa. Kinaata herbal shop. Hey, now wait. Kinaata Hayan. See clear.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya mabobo so nyina. Eno ne dia set Kinaata 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mo a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Eno ane se wo benum bi. Wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen konkwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I hear. What feeling? Adam, me back. Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofa sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche. Surprise!
Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure.
Hey, and let you besi. Ain't you wanting a miku epia on me fie?
Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami ke be bin show. Kinaata venicare no. Se wo use a esiesie ho, e ma ho ye kama, e ma wo ye obemua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Kinaata venicare.
Kinaata venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.